Hello, I'm Sergen. I'm a Salesforce technical lead delivering custom solutions for our clients. When Deloitte contacted me, in the discussions we had, I saw a company with a strong culture, with an opportunity to grow, and this is why 5 years later, I'm still here. 5 years ago, we set up the backbone for Brussels' CRM solution. Today, it's still used with more than 10 public administrations that have onboarded. As a tech lead, it's nice to build solutions that last and that you can scale up for your clients. I had the opportunity to work with both local and international teams, which is amazing. I was selected as a Deloitte ambassador, training for a triathlon for 6 months, and I'm super proud and happy about that. Each project comes with its challenges, pushing you outside of your comfort zone and pushing you to grow, both on technical and client-facing skills. I joined Deloitte as a developer, a Salesforce developer, and now I'm a tech lead. I really believe that if you're ambitious, Deloitte is a company that will give you the space, the project, and the opportunity for you to grow. I'm part of the Salesforce team. There we are pushing for quality standards. We have built an approach, methodology, and technical accelerators that are known at Deloitte on a global level. When you join Deloitte, you join a global network of experts and you get to connect with a lot of people and share best practices and knowledge, which is amazing. At Deloitte, you get to explore your technical skills in different industries and contexts, and I really believe that Deloitte is a great place to build a strong tech career.